In this video, I'm going to tell you why you should be making a trailer for your course or your product. And it's not really what you think. I think that many people want to do it because it makes them look cool, it makes their product look more professional, and I think those are great reasons to have a trailer. But in my opinion, the reason why you need something that is a short video, 2 to 3 minutes long, is to show off your product or course. People don't buy something that they don't trust and they can't tell the quality of. It's like going and trying to buy a house without ever walking inside it. Some people do it, but not very many people do, because what you're about to buy is unknown. So when you put a trailer together and you have a video on your landing page or in emails that you send out to people, you're able to give them an inside look as to what the course is, how you teach, or what the product is and the quality of it before they buy. It's not something that's going to make them buy immediately, but it is something that is going to help them choose the next best step. So when you're thinking of how do I get more people to buy what I'm putting out there, or how do I get them to realize the value of this product, then you have to look at a trailer as something that is going to help them make that decision. It builds hype, it builds trust. It really helps them completely understand the value you're about to bring them and the transformation that your product gives them. So many creators pass this up because they think that social is where video really lives, and then doing the video on the back end is a lot of extra effort. A lot of the time though, if you do the video at the end where they see it on the landing page, or you have a post-sale video, you're doing the hard work there. Because once you get them to that landing page, you want to make sure that they get all of the information that they need to make an informed decision about the product. And if you just do that through a landing page, everybody skims it. I don't read landing pages that much. I just skim them and then come back to the information that I need to know. I much prefer to have a video on the landing page that I can watch, get all of the details that I really need, and then read the rest of the page for anything that I may be missing. So when you're thinking about let's get more sales for this product or course, think about how a video can play into that, because the video helps them understand more about the product. And when I think of the video, it allows me to consider your product more than if you didn't have it at all. So many creators pass this up, but I believe it's one of the most important things a creator can use in their arsenal to help them sell more and sell faster, especially since you're doing all of the hard work of getting them to the landing page. Why are you going to let them bounce off the landing page without anything that allows them to make a decision faster? Because if they're going from social to your landing page, they may already trust you enough to buy, but some of them may not. And giving them that extra little bit allows them to potentially make that decision a lot faster than if they didn't have it. So let me know in the comments down below how you're thinking of using a trailer, or you're thinking of using video on a landing page, or your struggles around it, because I want to make more videos about this topic, because this is what I do for creators. I help them build these trailers so that people can buy from them more and buy from them faster and have more trust in them. So let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, hit subscribe. I'm excited to do more of these in the future. This is video number 1. We're getting right back into it. I haven't done long form YouTube videos in a while. And if you're looking for another video, this video right here is what YouTube thinks that you should watch next. And I'm excited to have you here on the channel.